Tehillim 96. Sing to Yahuwah a new song. Sing to Yahuwah all the earth. Sing to Yahuwah, bless his name. Proclaim his Yeshua from day to day. Declare his glory among the nations, his marvelous works among all the peoples. For great is Yahuwah, and greatly to be praised. He is to be feared above all Elohim. For all the Elohim of the peoples are idols, but Yahuwah made the heavens. Honor and majesty are before him. Strength and beauty are in his sanctuary. Ascribe to Yahuwah, you families of nations. Ascribe to Yahuwah glory and strength. Ascribe to Yahuwah the glory due to his name. Bring an offering and come into his courts. Worship Yahuwah in holy array. Tremble before him, all the earth. Say among the nations, Yahuwah reigns. The world is also established. It can't be moved. He will judge the peoples with equity. Let the heavens be glad, and let the earth rejoice. Let the sea roar and its fullness. Let the field and all that is in it exult. Then all the trees of the woods shall sing for joy before Yahuwah, for he comes to judge the earth. He will judge the world with righteousness, the peoples with his truth.